Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that I found yesterday on our trip to a couple Asian groceries down in the Seattle area. This is Fan's Kitchen. It's a noodle, stewed beef, which is kind of fancy. Ooh. Here's what you see in the pot. There is powder, sauce, veggies, and we shall now add all three. Because that's how you do with these style ones. And we're gonna let it steep for 5 minutes. Oh, come on. I can't even, there we go. That. Again, this one, if you didn't watch yesterday's episode, this is going to be part of the short series I'm doing. Well, not even a series, it's a instructional video on how to make the wonderful ramen eggs. I only do a little part of it. I plate it and I make the marinade, but my wife works all the other magic, so you'll get to see exactly how she's doing stuff, and I'll just have to do like a narration over it. So I was just like, do what you do. I'm not gonna sit here in the kitchen and yammer while you're working on stuff, because that's just gonna make you all like, you know, so. It'll pan out good, and I hope you'll enjoy it. It should already be done, honestly. Alright, well that looks MSG heavy. Okay, nothing wrong with that. So let's got some boiling water. I am going to use said boiling water and hopefully not spill it everywhere. There we go. Oh, come on, why does it keep spilling everywhere when I do this? There we are, burled. And this will go for 5. Honestly, there's no instructions on how long to cook it for. But since this is a steamed noodle as opposed to a fried noodle, fried is generally 3 and rice or otherwise seems to be more like 5. So we'll see how it goes. I have a feeling it'll go just fine. So yeah. And let's do our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. This is quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles. So here we go. The last one was good. It was one of the first ones I ever read. The first one was, I'm not selling instant noodles, I'm offering customers time. But number 225 is a little different, a little longer, wordier. God gave us all 24 hours a day. Time alone is allotted equally to rich and poor, but once spent, it never comes back. So. Yep, there you go. Some of its quotes are like, and some of them are like, what? Still gotta say, good old number 42. Although the last one I did, the one about I sell customers time, that I like that one a lot. That's pretty neat. Wow, this smells pretty good. It smells very beefy. Beef. Do you like beef? I hope that you do, because this is very full of the beef. Yeah, I'm being weird. So, yeah, got a new bowl. We went to, this one was from Asian Foods Market. It used to be called Asian Food Center, and now it's called Family Asian Market. And I got a new beckoning cat, you know, the cat that waves its arm. I got a new one, a ceramic one. It's pretty rad. And I got a bowl. and I got 3 different varieties of this Fan's Kitchen stuff and a whole slew of premium ones. They had like 3, I got 3 or maybe 4 boxed varieties, a couple flower pot style ones, just really, really cool stuff that I'm just jazzed on. So that will be coming up. I'll probably be, every other review will probably be one of those right now, because honestly, I don't have a huge amount of unreviewed stuff. One thing to note with that, though, I'll be getting, I talked to the people at Zenpop, and Zenpop is a subscription box company. Go to zenpop.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. No, it's zenpop.jp, that's right. But they're all assorted boxes of Japanese instant noodles. And they're different than what Umai Crate offers. Not saying Umai Crate's bad. I like Umai Crate too. They're both Japan, but they're both thematically different. So it's different. They're different. So one has a bonus item, one doesn't. One has other stuff for DIY, one doesn't. One has just 7 packages of ramen. One has like all sorts of different stuff as well as ramen. So, you know, whichever you prefer, there you go. And you can go to japancrate.com and look up the Umai Crate, and then there you can also use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. The Ramen Raider, finally, Zenpop, it used to be Ramen Raider was the coupon code. And finally, now they are the Ramen Raider for a discount code. So it's like across the board, any places that have discount codes that I'm working with, they use the Ramen Raider as a discount code, which makes it so much nicer, because when I'm doing a video, it used to be on one of them, it was like Ramen Raider 15, or was it the Ramen Raider 15? Or, yeah, just, now it's all the same. There's no questioning it, no changing it. I'm happy about that. But it's nice out now. It was just hailing, like, on the last episode, so that was maybe a half hour ago. But now the sun is out. It's crazy. It's like I had to lift the blinds so I could take a shot because it was too dark, and now I'm gonna have to lower the blinds again because it's too bright. I tell you, Washington State weather, you gotta love it. Actually, you don't. So here we have our stewed beef flavor noodle, and I have a feeling this is going to be pretty darn good. In 5 minutes, they definitely look done. If they're not done, I'll be hornswoggled. Noodle itself isn't bad. Well, let's give this broth a try, because I think that's where it's going to be some goodness. That is some oily stuff right there. Very beefy. And it's not like violently salty. That's I was kind of expecting it to be like really, really salty. Not so much. There's no kind of like overkill going on here. It's nice. Here's a bowl I've had for years and always had a love-hate relationship with. Didn't always work out well for me, but we'll see. I think we got some good light now. That could change though. Give it 20 minutes or less. Hopefully I'll be done with this in less than 20 minutes. See, that's a big thing too. See how high it is in the bowl? That makes a big difference for the light. We're gonna put in some beef I sauteed earlier. Actually, all I did was add some cooking spray to the pan and a little bit of, I'm even gonna use the liquid off of it. Not that there's much. And some Greek seasoning. I don't know, I needed something, salt. All right, so now, let's do this. Let's see, maybe a little bit higher this time. Because this, there we go. Got an egg. Man, these eggs, I tell you what. There you go. Whoa. Beautimous. Ladies and gentlemen, my wife's handiwork. Those eggs are perfection. A little bit of coriander. Hi, that's cilantro. What are you trying to call that? Coriander's a seed. No, no, no. That's something completely different. That's seed. I'm using coriander. Actually, they're starting up again. God. A little pepper flake. And since it's a premium variety, we're going to use black sesame seed, which denotes premiumness. At least generally when I see a premium variety and they're using sesame seeds in it, they like to use black sesame seeds. So that's what I'm going to do. Lily guys right here. I'll go right here. Alright. Feels like we need something else, and I'm trying to think what. I could put mung bean sprouts in here. I'm just trying to figure out exactly where I would without them completely distracting from the whole thing. I guess I could put them right here. Yeah, you guys like it right there? Nice little placed pile of them. Not so authentic, but something extra. Let's have some. Yeah, let's just do this. That'll make things easier, easier, easier. All right, Rotato. Have your time in the sun. Stage off. All right, well, I'm gonna go try to get some good shots. I'm gonna leave that open, take my desk shot, then I'm gonna close it, then I'm gonna get the shots over there. So yeah. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, it's fun, fun, fun all the time. You know, if you go and you click subscribe, like, click the little notification bell, and you go and like run around, freak out, and when you see somebody with a cell phone, just grab it off of them and go like, subscribe, notification bell on their phone for this channel. You will be doing the world a load of good. Be nice to everybody, and yeah, I'll be back with more tomorrow. I will. Okay? Make some noodles. Bye.